Hey, welcome back. If you're new, my name is Michelle. In today's video, I'm gonna be packing up some stuff. We're going camping from Friday through Monday. I have to cook supper for tonight and pack stuff up. These dishes here are clean, so I need to unload that. Anything that I dirty today, I will just hand wash so that they're not sitting there closed up for 4 days. Just some other odds and ends. So if you're interested, follow along. Okay, when we go camping, I like to usually cook whatever we're going to be eating on that first night before we leave the house, because I know it's a lot of work packing up. And this place where we went the last 2 times, it is a 2-hour drive because we can't go over like 45 with the camper. So, you know, it's a lot of preparation. It's almost more work than it's worth, but I know we're going to be tired. So I cook before we even head out the door. And then that night, our food is ready. Put them in this bowl because that's going to go in my pot. And this pot's already on, so.
Oh, it's making me cry already. I'm joking. What is that?
Olive oil.
Ooh.
Go play.
Can I help?
You cannot help with this part, and I have a knife, so I need you to move.
Can I cut those? You can cut those too. I'll cut these two.
I think I'm just doing 2.
Well, let me cut
Get
one.
you a cutting board to cut one. What big blue one?
That blue one?
This one?
Yeah, that's one of my favorite.
Oh, I'll give you 2.
Can I use either side?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me. Nope. You don't know. Come on, I'll lie.
No, I don't.
That one. That
Which
big
one?
fat one.
This one?
Yeah.
It's holding my wire.
And then give me a sausage.
Right here.
I cut it in half. And then I do this.
Okay.
Is those thick enough? Is this good?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Be very careful. And you can throw them in the pot.
Thank you.
Would you like to help to cook?
Yes.
I'm going to start all of this on the stove, and then,
Is this for supper?
yes, tonight.
Yes. What is it going to be?
Hmm?
What is it going to be?
Well, rice and gravy, and I'm going to throw some potatoes in it.
That's going to be good. Can we do one more?
I think that's enough sausage, and then we can bring these for the barbecue or whatever.
Yeah. No, cut those 2 in half.
Why?
There could be more.
Well, it's not going to be more. It's the
Okay,
same.
where's the little spoon so I can stir?
Okay, we don't want to stir it yet.
Okay.
Put this in the
I'll
ice
get
box
the
with the
spoon.
lunch meat right there. Get one of the big silver spoons.
One big silver spoon.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, one of these?
No. Yeah.
I was gonna get one of them white ones.
So I'm gonna.
The white spoon. Ice box.
I think this was partially cooked, but I'm
Put this in the
gonna.
ice box.
Yes, with the lunch meat. Yeah.
I remember you saying.
This one was already partially cooked. And I'll just throw it in that gravy
I want to
too.
help cut those.
No, I don't want you to cut the raw meat.
Can I help cut that?
No, baby. It's still raw.
So?
I need...
Those were raw.
Cut them in salt like this big.
Okay. You cut them into like fillets and I'll cut them into small chunks. That feels so weird.
Mm-hmm.
And Mom, I have one that stays on,
Mm-hmm.
and it shows me what size they need it to be. That.
You don't like it?
Huh?
Fine. That's what tastes good.
No. Nope. Okay, where do I put them? Ow!
Sorry. Just push them to the side.
I think that'll be.
Because I want to let the sausage let out some of their
Wait,
grease.
get a little plate.
Okay, hold on. Don't touch that. Don't touch that.
I'm going to touch it with the hand that my knife, that I'm holding my knife.
Okay, get a paper plate.
I am. Now,
I'll throw the bone in there, but...
I'm just going to put it right here.
Okay.
For now.
Oh, come on!
Yep. This makes me want to throw up. I'm just going to put the rest like this.
Okay, that's what I do. I do need to stir this sausage a little bit.
I forgot to get this in.
Because I want the sausage to let out some grease.
Yeah.
We forgot to cut this one. That's real big.
What? Okay. Oh, we're going to put them all in there?
All in the same pot, yep.
Okay. So I could just throw them in?
Well, I wanted to let some of the sausage grease come out first. I just put the bone in.
No. Please.
You're gonna cut, don't cut them this small, baby. Cut them bigger.
Like that?
Like the size of a sausage.
This big?
No, like
This?
right here.
Like that?
Yeah, that's okay. And like right here.
Okay. Now put that.
These would have been good, I bet, on the pit.
Right there. Yeah.
We might keep. I might keep some of these for the barbecue pit. Because
These disgusting.
that's a good cut
Is
of
that
meat.
enough grease? Or just a little bit more?
Stir it up a little bit after you soak your hands.
And once you don't need no more, I'm going to start cleaning the counter.
So the counter is pretty clean.
No, that is.
Okay, this is all stuff for the camper.
Where the sink? Okay. I need a little pot holder.
In the drawer.
So I've got to get all it. Let me hold it. Then I'll wait. No.
Big bin.
Okay. Put it until it's done.
Put it in.
No, Put here.
Oh, look. I didn't cut these because I was leaving them for you. Hold on. Get your knife.
What one?
These pork ones.
Oh,
Remember you said to cut them?
yeah.
And then you'd cut them the rest of the way?
Yep.
Hold on.
This knife. I was in the sink.
Yeah. Here you go. Just cut them. Cut those real quick. I had to season that real quick, so I'll wash my hands and get the seasoning.
We cut this one.
See how big I did mine?
Mm-hmm. So about that big?
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm gonna
And you can leave that one big. You can leave that one that size.
This one?
Yeah.
Let's see.
If it's kind of a medium, like a small medium, just cut it in half. Like that one.
Mm-hmm.
This one? Yep, just cut it in half.
And cut this one in half.
You cut that one probably in three.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
Out of Creole seasoning? Oh.
Now I'm gonna cut this one into 4.
Okay.
Now 3 there. But this one is good. Then this one good.
Enough.
Okay. It smells so good.
Creole seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder.
Let's see. Is this one
A
good?
little bit of black pepper. Yep.
Let's see. It's a meat sack.
Okay, now put it in the sink. Put your hand.
How cute.
We're gonna let that fry down real good.
You put them in?
Yep.
Okay.
This is already cut.
Do we put them in there?
We will once it's good and brown.
Okay.
I need to turn it up a little bit more. Okay. And when it's done, I'm gonna put it in the Instant Pot. So,
Ready?
you want to clean the counter right now? Can you just put the dishes in the sink for me? This is my checklist of things that we need to do. So, cook supper we're doing. Unload dishwasher, you did, thank you. Gotta fold and pack some clothes. I do medicines in the sleep machine. 1 Glade plug-in for in the camper. And I have to grab this stuff from the freezer. And all of this from the ice box. Let's see. Beef or barbecue. Yeah, just put the glasses
I'm
on.
not going to put this one because I'm drinking it.
Okay. And put your little sandwich here in the trash.
Are you still drinking out of your orange?
No. You can throw that.
I'm going to rinse the glasses.
Okay, so this meat.
You want me to clean the sink?
I'll have to wash those by hand.
Yeah, that's fine.
Use a towel.
Okay. Okay, all done.
Okay, so now what are you gonna do?
I don't know.
Do you want to go fold the towel?
No.
Okay, well, I'm about to go in there and do that. Why don't you pack you some clothes?
Okay.
Listen, like 4 or 5 changes of clothes. Get dark shorts and old shirts. Don't get any of your new shirts because they'll get ruined. Okay?
Okay.
I was going to add this to the gravy, but I decided that we're going to throw it on the pit instead. Okay, I'm going to put that meat in the refrigerator, and then I'm going to put up these dishes that have already been cleaned, and then I'm going to wash the ones that are still dirty in the sink, so that way nothing is left dirty or put up in the dishwasher. I'm someone who could talk to the wall, but yet whenever it's time to film a voiceover, I feel like I don't have anything to say. Huh? What?
I'm all done.
Your book stack is in my room if you want to use that for your bag.
And it's all four parts. So the black thing falling down is going to be all of my clothes. And it's going to be
Your gaming book stack?
Yeah.
Put your little toast right here in a snack bag. So I can wash the pans.
I need to do some these. My clothes. I got 5 stars. No pants.
Okay.
5 undies. 5 socks. 5 shirts. Only 2 good ones.
Yeah,
And then 3 are really, really old.
I would only bring old ones because they're going to get messed up.
No. The only 2 good ones aren't that good.
Show me. Bring them to me.
They're the ones that you just bought.
Well, I don't want you to bring none of those.
I really want to bring these.
Huh?
I really want to bring these.
Well, I don't want them getting messed up. Well, they're dark at least, but...
Yeah.
Okay.
You said to bring those things, and then I got 5 tops.
Okay.
And I'm seeing if I could bring 1 pair of white socks. Or no.
You can.
Ugly. But they're not old ones. They're the ones that you just bought.
Oh, the new white ones? I
Yeah,
will.
because I'm getting very used to those. And I don't have no what to do.
I wouldn't wear the new white ones.
Ugly.
Because they're going to be nasty.
Ugly. I need to go to my
Calm.
These are the ones that I need.
Yeah.
And then I
Yeah,
got
I'd say
2
those for
pajama pants. And then 1 pajama shirt.
That's just more
Just 2 after I take a shower.
Oh,
Are we gonna?
I don't know what to see. How the day goes. When we get there, remember.
I feel nasty.
You can go take one now if you want.
No.
But remember, when we get there, everything has to be set up before fishing.
Can I at least cast net? That's not fishing.
Cast net where? In the
Around
water?
the dock. I mean, by the boat launch.
I'd rather you not go by the water at all when there's not an adult by you.
And I'm definitely gonna film a video, probably.
Yeah. You want to go for that pot? You want to for the pot? Yep. You need to hold on with this.
Yeah. Ow!
Is it starting to stick?
Huh?
Is it starting to stick and pop you?
Yeah, it's definitely starting to stick and turn brown.
Good. That's whenever you know. It's going to make a good
The
gravy.
sausage is definitely done.
So let me see.
Ah, grease in my eye.
Got your eyeball?
Huh?
Got your eyeball?
Almost. I felt something.
At this
I
point,
felt like liquid go in my
this is
eye.
when you throw in your onion.
Let me stir it.
Well, that reminds me, I gotta bring a little bit more ground meat.
Let me stir it.
Well, I'm gonna just leave these in there like this for now.
When you're ready to
Because I want to
stir
bring
that,
stuff
call
to
me.
make rice dressing.
You heard when you're ready to stir that, call me.
Okay. I think I was burning my pot holder. Got a good brown going on. Now we'll just add our liquid. I use water. Some people use stock. I do not. And then we'll throw it in the Instant Pot. Okay, just dumped it from the pot into the Instant Pot. Now I'm going to cook this for about 45 minutes to an hour just so that it's good and tender. And then I'll add some potatoes. Getting my medicine ready for the weekend. I always fill this up. That way, whenever it's time to take my medicine, it's just already ready instead of going through every bottle every time. It's just too much. I take too much to do that. And this little peel container here, I got this from Amazon, so I can link it on the bottom. I do not have a link tree yet, but I'll just, I'll put the link down there so you can find it. Just in case you're wondering, I take medicine for anxiety and depression. I also take medicine for high blood pressure, diabetes, and high cholesterol. Take care of yourself, people. That way you don't have to get on all this junk. I do know that some of these conditions are hereditary, and like type 1 diabetes you can be born with, but I know even people who are at a healthy weight can have some of these issues, but in my case I definitely could control it better. I take so much medicine, I label the tops so that I know if it's AM, PM, or twice a day. Makes it much easier. Vitamins. Super B complex. D3. Multivitamin. I take my vitamins at night to avoid the possibility of taking them on an empty stomach. Probiotic. These I do in the morning. And another thing I like to do when we're going to leave to go camping is catch up on all of the dirty clothes, because I know that when we come back, we're going to come back with quite a bit of it. And, when you get back from camping, which is like a little vacation, you don't want to have to come back to a dirty house and a bunch of dirty clothes. You want to get that done before you even leave. Okay, I had cooked this for 45 minutes. The meat was very tender. The sausage really wouldn't have needed to cook that long, obviously, but it was in there, so whatever. When I'm doing something like red beans and sausage, I will throw the sausage in when the beans are already cooked and just do it for like 5 minutes. gonna turn this back on for 5 minutes. To cook the potatoes. Tell them we're headed out. 2-hour drive. You ready to go?
I don't know. I'm tired.
Me too. Okay, let's go. So, we're at the camp. I'm about to cook some rice in the microwave. The meat and potatoes is already cooked, so this just has to cook for about 15 minutes, and then we can eat. And while that cooks, I'm gonna unpack my ice chests, put them into the ice box now that that has cooled off a little bit. You know, we keep it plugged at home, but this is a 2-hour drive for us, so we don't put the cold stuff in. We put it in an ice chest till we get here and let everything get cold, and then we'll put it in there. We have a pretty small camper. There are usually 5 of us that are camping. This weekend there were only 3, but part of the problem is this ice box and freezer are so small that you really can't fit much in it. And when we go camping closer, we can just put the stuff directly in there and let it go on the ride. But because this is 2 hours, you know, nothing is plugged and we don't have it running on the butane or propane or whatever it is, so we have to use ice chests until we get there. They fishing already. I don't go to fish, I just go to camp and enjoy myself. Okay, so it's 8:45. We're gonna go walk down to the showers and take a shower so we can come back and eat. Good morning. Man, I woke up feeling terrible this morning. I went to bed with the migraine, I believe, and I woke up with that same migraine. I felt horrible, so I did not have coffee this morning, but I'm making some now. And my husband and son are out in the paddle boat running some jugs, and I laid in the bed, watched a movie, you know, let the ibuprofen work, and then I'm gonna take this cup of coffee and go sit outside and see if I can manage to stay upright. Building some muscles. Building some muscles. My 9-year-old cleaning the catfish he caught. This is the first time that he skins a catfish, so his daddy's showing him. But you'll see at the end that he does not even attempt to do the gutting part because that's just nasty.
camping.
I'll take a shower.
I better.
Do you pull it back or do you pull it down?
That's all the way down to the hand.
Good job.
Where? How far? What a weight. What? Peek you?
I thought he was gonna fall down.
Now what? Ugh, I hate that part. Disgusting.
You like to eat it though, huh? Hey y'all. I have not been filming as much as I wanted to, but Friday night I got here with a headache. I know I updated y'all on that Saturday morning, but I felt really bad all day yesterday. Same thing today. The headache is better, but I guess trying to adjust my sleeping so that my head wouldn't hurt. Now the right side of my neck and my right shoulder blade is sore and stiff, and so it's been a not so great camping trip, but thankfully we're heading home first thing in the morning, so you know, it is what it is. We tried the barbecue yesterday, but our barbecue pit is pitiful, and so I ended up having to throw everything into my biggest cast iron skillet on this outside stove and cook it that way. So tonight we're doing simple sloppy joes. And it's just me and my husband that eat this, so I don't need a lot of it. And stick with what you know. I usually do homemade sloppy joes or I buy the can, but this time I grabbed packets without realizing, so I didn't know I needed tomato paste. I'm gonna see how this tastes, and then if I need to, I'll add some ketchup in it. Can't be too bad, right?